In today's video, we are going to learn about the concept of inflation. Inflation is a term used to describe the general increase in prices of goods and services over time. When inflation occurs, each unit of currency buys fewer goods and services than it did before. This means that the purchasing power of money decreases. In Hindi, inflation is called mudrasfiti, which literally translates to currency depreciation. It essentially means that the value of money declines, leading to higher prices for goods and services. Types of inflation. Demand pull inflation. This type of inflation occurs when the demand for goods and services exceeds their supply. It often happens during periods of strong economic growth, when consumers have more money to spend, leading to increased demand for goods and services. Cost push inflation. Cost push inflation occurs when the costs of production rise, leading to higher prices for goods and services. This can happen due to factors such as increases in wages, raw material prices, or taxes. Hyperinflation. Hyperinflation is an extremely rapid and out-of-control inflation, where prices skyrocket at an extremely high rate. This can occur due to factors such as excessive money printing, collapse of confidence in the currency, or economic instability. Creeping inflation. Creeping inflation refers to a relatively low and steady increase in prices over time. It may not be immediately noticeable, but over the long term it can erode the purchasing power of money. Stagflation is a situation where there is high inflation combined with stagnant economic growth and high unemployment. This presents a challenge for policymakers, as traditional monetary and fiscal policies may be less effective in addressing both inflation and unemployment simultaneously.